Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Mapumulo, and today I am so excited. I'm actually buzzing with excitement. I know I'm super dramatic, right? Do the right thing, subscribe, like this video, drop a comment down below, become part of this growing family. And if this is not your first time here, thank you so much for your love and your support. Let's get this video started. A lot of you guys have been asking me what you should do if you don't have a blender, and I had to sit down and think, and I came up with a solution that you guys are gonna love, and it tastes good, and you won't need to use a blender, right? You know I've got your back, you know I've got you covered. Let me show you. So the first thing that you need is low-fat plain yogurt, but if you want to use full cream, it's totally up to you. It's not a problem. And you also need some peanut butter. So you guys, this part over here totally depends on you. You don't want to make too much and then you have to save it and put it in the fridge, so that's bad. You need to make enough for you to finish. You just have to make sure that you will finish it, because once you put it in the fridge, it's not going to taste so good anymore and it's not going to be fresh. And then, so if you don't have a microwave as well to heat up your peanut butter, you can just use a pan, frying pan. Just put it on the stove and let it melt. It actually looks kind of chocolatey, so do not make the mistake and put chocolate, please. No. So now I'm just adding on the melted peanut butter into the bowl where there's that plain yogurt. So now I'm just gonna mix everything together. So this is how it looks. It looks very yummy. You would actually swear it's ice cream and some chocolate, but it's plain yogurt and melted peanut butter. And so now I'm just gonna mix everything together. As you can see, guys, it looks so good. And let's wait for the tasting part. Yes. And now for just more flavor, I'm adding on some cinnamon. Cinnamon is just good for your health. Overall, it's so good. Okay, you guys, now it's the moment of truth. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste this, because remember, it's an idea I came up with last night, and I decided to just do it because I'm trying to help other people that don't have blenders, that don't have a microwave to heat up the stuff or blend and make the protein shake for themselves. So I'm gonna taste this. And another thing is, if you want to add on some bananas on top, that's totally fine. You can have it as like yogurt porridge or something. Okay, so now I'm just gonna taste it and I will give you my honest opinion. Oh wow, it tastes real good. The yogurt actually blends in well with the peanut butter and the cinnamon. This is good. This is some good stuff. I love this. So if you feel like you don't want to use the blender, if you don't have it, this is the way to go. My god. It tastes incredible. I love this. Okay. You guys, comment down below. Tell me if you're gonna try it this way. And if you know anyone that doesn't have a blender or can't do the protein shake, just share this video with them. Show them this. And so thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Let me continue eating.